Waltz clogs are not traditionally part of the time step category. However, some instructors and choreographers still lump them in. The reason they're not often viewed as such, though, is because they don't meet the rest of the criteria, such as how we start on the 8 and count, and they don't have that hop where it belongs, and all of the necessary requirements like a traditional time step is expected to have. A waltz clog in its simplistic form can just be executed as a step, shuffle, wall change, and then we gradually add in that hop, and it can be done flat on releve, parallel, turned out. You can travel with them, you can run with them, you can turn with them, you can do a whole bunch of different things with your waltz clogs. You can add heel drops to them. Waltz clogs were originally performed to waltz music. That's how they got their name. Nowadays, you won't find that nearly as much, although it is still an option for us tappers. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about our military time steps. I will see you then.